Hello friends, just a little update what's going on in my garage. So this is driver side front control arm I have removed yesterday from my car. Here you can see it, and very soon it will be ready to receive strong flex poly bushings, and it will be the final step. My car will be equipped all with the strong flex bushes. Here you can see the control arm I have removed from my car. I will do separate video about removing and refreshing the bushes. Also here you can see the spring. This is a place where spring sits. A little rusty but not a big problem. Here are the original bushings. They are still in great shape. By the way, these are from passenger side. I have removed already, all the bolts are here, and it is also very good time to check the ball joint. Here is my ball joint. Yes, it does not look like brand new, and it is not brand new, 25 years old ball joint, but it is very solid. No wobbles here, and I think it will still work. But anyway, the new original ball joints from Mercedes are in my wish list. So now let's see the car itself. The wheel is removed. The car is on the jack stands. Once again, guys, I am waiting for the strong flex bushings from Poland. They will arrive very soon, and I will be able to do the job. But here I want to show you that the spring is removed, the control arm is removed, the shock absorber is detached, and also the ball joint is detached from the knuckle. I removed also the sway bar bolt. So everything is free here, and car is waiting for the strong flex bushes, guys. I have still to remove those old bushings from the control arm. As I already mentioned, I will do separate video about that, and then I will install newer bushings and mount the control arm to the car. I have done it on the passenger side, and from my experience now I know how to do it on the driver side. Once again, guys, I have only one pair of strong flex bushings for this control arm, and for the other pair I am waiting them from Poland. Otherwise, here are all the parts I have removed from the car, and we'll catch you in the next video. It will be DIY video how to upgrade the bushings.